Oh. Wow, JC. Dag, man. That is sick.
I want to get a smaller pulley for it eventually.
Yeah. Has there been anything done internally, or?
Not that I know of. The people I got it from, they have no idea how much power it's making.
Dag. Wow.
So eventually I want to get on a dyno.
Yeah.
See how much power it's pushing.
Yeah, but this has got a lot of potential, man.
It does.
Are you gonna, like, when you get everything done that you want to do to it, are you gonna leave it externally the same, or are you gonna put a body kit on it?
I've been looking at, like, you know, front lips and stuff for it.
Nice.
Cause I have a picture of my other car.
Oh, I'm Eddie.
Sam.
Sam, pleased to meet you, man. Oh, this is nice.
My other car, I drive an 03 Celica. This is how it came. That's how when I first got it.
Yeah.
Then I lowered it, put some rims on it, front lip.
Dude, that's sick.
So I'm really into the Japanese cars.
Yeah, man, me too. I'm looking to get either an R32 or an R33 Skyline, but the prices are going up, man.
Yeah. I've seen a couple on Facebook Marketplace for around $30K,
which is not bad. But like even the sedan ones, they're going up too.
Yeah.
Like I saw one like 2 weeks ago for 10 grand, gone.
Yeah.
Just gone, man. But wow, man. Oh, thanks, man. Yeah. That is sick, man. That is awesome.
It's a fun little car. Let's spin first and second.
Yeah, dag, man. Man. I bet you once you get this thing dialed in, it's just gonna smoke anything.
Yeah.
Dag. I don't care what people say, these things are sick.
Yeah.
Like there's a guy on YouTube that I'm following, he K20 swapped his Ferrari 308. And he's turning it into a Commatac car.
Yeah.
Max horsepower, he's looking towards 1,000. So
yeah, I wanna on my Celica, I wanna put a turbo on it. So I have the best of both worlds.
yeah, man. Wow.
I'm wanting to push at least 350 out of the Celica.
That's more than enough, man. That's more than enough.
I have a 2,400 pound car.
That's not bad. No. Wow. That is sick, man. Thanks for showing me this, man. Thanks, man. Wow.